Today, we honor more than surgery. We honor access to healing, to safety, to second chances. Every patient entering these doors carries fear, hope, and trust together. Before every procedure, there is preparation unseen by the world. Doctors, nurses, anesthetists, technicians, one team, one purpose. Every monitor checked, every instrument prepared, every detail matters. Because safe surgery is never just a procedure. It is a system built on precision, teamwork, and care. Inside an operating room, silence often carries the greatest responsibility. Steady hands restoring sight, care restoring confidence, science restoring lives. Millions across the world still lack access to safe surgical care. Today reminds us why that must change. Surgery is not only about treatment, it is about dignity, possibility, quality of life. And behind every successful surgery is an entire team working together for one human life. This Global Surgery Day, we celebrate the people, systems, and care that make healing possible.